Hey, Scott Grove here, and I've got a finishing tip for you. So if you're doing some fine furniture that's going to be stained, and you want to make sure that your prep work, meaning your sanding, is perfect, it's always best to use what's called an indicator. So you take your standard stain and you thin it down, 10% stain, 90% lacquer thinner, or whatever the solvent is, and you use that as an indicator stain, meaning you take this and you wipe it on, and the idea is you're just adding a little pigment, but what we'll do is it will show you if you've got a scratch or a nick or a ding or some imperfection that you missed and you couldn't see when it's sort of in a natural state. See right there, a little glue that didn't get cleaned away. So perfect example of why I use an indicator first. I now see the glue. I'll go ahead and clean that and I'll be good to go. At that point, I can go back and sand it all down again, or just lightly scuff the surface. And when I lightly scuff the surface, if there's an indentation, that valley will be darker. Excuse me. Wear a respirator too. So that'll also be a way of you seeing if there's any imperfections. So I want to make sure that my wood surface is perfect before I apply my coat of stain. Indicator is the way to go. Apply the indicator, look at it, give it a light sanding, then I'm good to go and I can put on a full strength stain, and that really won't affect the overall darkness or color by having that indicator. So I hope that tip works for you. Remember to subscribe to Imagine Grove or go to my Imagine Woodworking to see all my other endeavors. Thanks for watching.